Aloha everybody, thanks for tuning in to our Exploring Aotearoa series. This is part 2. We are still in Auckland and we are visiting the Auckland Zoo today. Here we're pulling into the parking lot that is the closest to the Auckland Zoo. There are 2 parking lots and both of them are the same price. It is 2 New Zealand dollars per hour. And I know it looks pretty full, but trust me, it was very easy to find parking. People come and go all the time, and they open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It had been almost 40 years since my parents last stepped foot in New Zealand, so it was really heartwarming watching my dad take Amanda around the Auckland Zoo. As soon as you buy your tickets, you're welcome to one of 6 eateries or cafes that they have at the Auckland Zoo. And we weren't really hungry yet when we took a look. We just wanted to see the selection. We were more interested in looking at all the animals. Now we love animals and we're always down to visit the Honolulu Zoo back home. But there is one animal that we were most looking forward to see, especially in New Zealand. Can you guess what it is? Where are we going, Amanda?
We're going to see the Kiwi birds.
It was a cute little hike to finally see the Kiwi birds, and we were so excited when we finally found the habitat, just in time for one of their talks.
Searching for the Kiwi, but no idea, they're nocturnal.
In a few minutes' time, we'll be starting our food tour. In a few minutes' time, we'll be starting our food tour.
Oh, hey little guy. He's eating now. Right, mother?
So cute.
As much as we wanted to stay in the Kiwi habitat forever, we had to move on and see all the other animals that the zoo had. Hey, got any grapes? I'm really afraid of heights, so this was a big deal for me. This is why I'm walking very slow, probably 0.5 miles per hour. But I made it, and I was so excited until Amanda asked to go over it about 3 more times. We love to go to the African safari section in every zoo that we visit, and I think it's because that's where you see all the big animals, you know, the elephants, the giraffes, the lions, the tigers.
You see the cheetah.
Do you see the cheetah?
How many
What are we looking at?
I almost looked at the liger.
If you guessed cheetah, you're correct. You know how when you go to an amusement park and you spend all that money to get in and you see a playground and all the kids want to play there, but you're like, no, we spent all this money, let's go on rides instead. Well, at the zoo, when you see a playground, you let your kid play at the playground.
I'm not your father. I know you're not my father.
All right, it's those big animals that I was talking about. Look at that beautiful lioness.
That lioness is chomping down. That baboon had no chance jumping over the water.
Wait, it's hitting a baboon?
Water books.
These.
They're all here. Let's put in on these guys. You know how you get them to stop charging?
How?
Take away their charge card.
That's not funny.
Is that a good joke?
I thought it was pretty funny, babe. Don't worry, Amanda's a tough audience. If the giraffe, ostrich, and zebra can all get along, surely humans can too. Looking out in this area, you can see at least 10 animals all living together. This is a bittersweet photo because as of November of 2024, the Auckland Zoo no longer has any elephants. It was just better for the elephants in general to find another place where it was more sustainable for them to live and thrive. Now we did get to the zoo around noon, so by the time we got to the tigers, it was about 1:30. Definitely their lunchtime. A lot of the big cats are eating when we saw them. So we have a confession. We were actually looking for red pandas when we stumbled across this new habitat. It is completely humid. You have to go inside. It's really hot and misty, but apparently that's where crocodiles and this type of fish thrive. Good question, Amanda. It's actually oversized orangutan poo. Now, after seeing all of those amazing animals eating at the Auckland Zoo, we were feeling pretty hungry too. So we stopped at the Te Puna Cafe located at the center of the zoo, and we had some margarita pizza, some chicken, a vegetarian meat pie, some polenta fries, and vegetable samosas. I'll be honest, my vegetarian meat pie was not good. I'm not sure what artificial meat product they used, but this wasn't the best. However, this orange mango apple juice was the business. Amanda gave her cheese pizza 2 thumbs up, or in this case, a huge smile and a huge pizza smile. Okay, we are a huge ice cream family, and when I tell you that Tip Top ice cream is the best that I've ever had in my entire life, you need to believe me. I mean, look at this chocolate and boysenberry. All we needed to do was find food, and then we would find the red pandas. So after we were done eating, even while we were still eating our ice cream, that's when we stumbled across the last thing we needed to see, a red panda butt.
There's a New Zealand restaurant. Definitely no shy guy protectors here.
And what an excellent day we spent at the Auckland Zoo. Amanda got a kiwi bird and a red panda from her tua, who enjoyed buying these things for her. She also got a book in Maori and the English translation too, so that we could read it together. When we got back to the hotel, everyone was pretty hyped up from seeing the kiwi birds and all the cute animals. So we played a game of Uno, and guess who won? And that is it for part 2 of our Exploring Aotearoa series. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can be the first to be notified when we upload part 3 next week.
Thanks for watching. Bye.